What else do I need to add after I purchase my Clayton Off Road lift kit? In reality, not too much, but in this video, we're gonna go over a few things that you can add to your Jeep to make the ride quality even better after adding a Clayton Off Road lift kit. The first one we're going to talk about is a nice set of shocks. Now this comes highly recommended, if not almost required. If you're adding this much onto a lift kit, you want to really be able to utilize the full suspension and droop of that new kit, and adding a nice set of shocks is the perfect way to do so. A set of shock extensions is not going to give you the same amount of travel, and perhaps it will limit the amount of travel that your brand new lift kit can give. Now if you want to go over to our related items section of our website, we pair up a nice set of shocks for the specific lift kit that you have, and you can easily add those to your cart and get them all right here in one space. Pairing your brand new Clayton Off Road lift kit with a set of high quality shocks is the best way to get the most out of your new kit. The next question we commonly get is, will I need a new drive shaft after I install my Clayton Off Road lift kit? And the answer is very subjective to how you plan on using your Jeep. Now the answer is yes if you do plan on really wheeling it and going hardcore and need that extra flexibility, and the answer is probably leaning towards no, and it's not required if you plan on daily driving and the specific size of lift that you have on. If you do find yourself conquering harder and harder trails and need a drive shaft to really increase your performance, give us a call with your lift size and vehicle specs and we can easily order one of those for you. After installing a Clayton Off Road kit, a lot of folks do install a new set of wheels and tires. Luckily, Clayton Off Road designs the lower control arms with factory style clearance bends, allowing the availability to choose more wheel options and reducing the backspacing requirements. Once you determine the backspacing requirements for your specific lift, you can either achieve that by using a set of wheel spacers on your stock wheels or by getting the proper backspacing aftermarket wheel. Steering upgrades. While they are not required to be installed with the lift kit, they can greatly improve the quality of life and drivability of your Jeep after installing a Clayton Off Road lift kit. When adding larger wheels and tires, your Jeep's factory suspension and steering system was not designed to carry that much weight and turn those from left to right. Adding a proper drag link, tie rod, and even a steering stabilizer can greatly improve that daily driving and off-road capability. Again, to find all steering upgrades available for your vehicle, be sure to navigate over to our related items tab. To help take the guesswork out, be sure to check out our performance packages, which include the lift kit, shocks, and steering upgrades to help you save a little bit of cash. If you have any further questions about accessories, backspacing, or any necessary components for your lift kit, be sure to reach out.